Welcome back to the GRE catcher. We're going to still in the algebra chapter, and that's question 15, and it's saying, at the beginning of a trip, the tank of Diana's car was filled with gasoline to half its capacity. During the trip, Diana used 30% of the gasoline in the tank. So I will draw this. I will make this my starting point, and she go to a nice trip, and she finished it. Okay, at the beginning of a trip she was having half of the tank, so it's half times, I will say the tank capacity is x, so half of the capacity is x divided by 2. Okay, that's half the capacity, and then she at the end of the trip, or during the trip, she used 30% of this capacity of what she has in the tank. So she used 30% of what she have in the tank, half of the capacity. Okay, fine. Diana added 8 gallons to the tank. The capacity of tank of Diana's car was x gallons. Okay, so at the end of the trip, Diana added 8 gallons of gasoline to the tank. So I will make this, I will just extend this. So I will imagine that this is her whole trip. She started with half the capacity, and then she added 30%. She used only 30% of what she has in the tank, and then she added 8 gallons of gasoline. Okay, and that's the problem word. Okay, now I need to do what he is asking you. What is which of the following represents the number of gallons of gasoline in the tank after Diana added gasoline to the tank at the end of the trip? So he don't give you the exact value, so you don't have any solving for the x, but you are having all the values you need to create a relationship. Okay, that's very easy, but there is only one trick here. I will add 30% to 8. I will add this to this, and that's your answer. But I don't think it's 30% that you'll use here. Here you'll use the 70%, as you are adding to the actual amount in the car, not the amount used, not the amount consumed. You are adding only the value which is used. So you use the 70%, so it's 70 over 100 times x over 2, x over 2, and all of this will be plus 8. Okay, this 0 and this 0 will go together, so you have 7x divided by 20, and all of this plus 8. Okay, from the first look, that's the simplest form, and from the first look you can see that this question, this answer B, choice B, is a correct one. But what else? You have to also go through all of them, as you can select one or more of the choices, so you have to go through all of them. But logically, if you see, look at this one, he is using the 30%, so I know this one is wrong, so I will exclude this from the beginning, and let's go and try this. To solve this, I would say 2 times 20, which is equal to 40. So this one is 40, and then 20 x minus 3x, 20x minus 20x minus 6x, and so it will be equal to 14. Okay, and 14, so it will be the same. It will be 14x divided by 40 plus 8. It will be the same if you go further and simplify it. Okay, it will be 14x divided by 40 plus 8. Okay, so both of 14 and 40 is divided by 2, it will be 7 x over 20, so it will be the same answer. It will give me the same thing. Okay, and that's all for this question. If you tried all of other choices, it will not give you the same results, so I will only have here A and B are the correct answer, and all of this will be wrong. Okay, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.